In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional resume using Microsoft Word. A well-organized resume is your ticket to catching the attention of potential employers and making that all-important first impression. So let's dive right into crafting a resume that highlights your strengths and sets you apart. First, open your Microsoft Word application and access your new or existing document where your resume will take shape. In this initial step, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with Word's interface since it's packed with tools that will help you design a clean and structured resume. As you draft this document, keep clarity and simplicity at the forefront. A cluttered resume can be off-putting, so pay attention to design from the get-go to ensure readability. Now let's focus on inputting your details. Start at the top of the page with your name, which should be bold and in a slightly larger font than the rest of the resume. It's your brand after all. Below that, add your address and contact information, such as your phone number and email address. Having this information prominently displayed makes it easy for potential employers to reach out. Additionally, consider adding a link to your LinkedIn profile if applicable. This detail acts as an invitation for employers to learn more about you. Next, move on to organizing the core sections of your resume: education, skills, experience, and interests. These are fundamental categories that encapsulate your professional story. Every section starts with a title. Consider using top and bottom borders for each title to spotlight them and guide the reader's eye through your resume. This simple style choice can neatly separate sections without introducing too much complexity. Now it's time to fill in your resume with substance. Let's break down what should go into each section. Under education, list your relevant degrees or certifications. Mention your major, the institution's name, and your graduation year. For the skills section, pinpoint abilities that align with the job you're aiming for. When you reach the experience section, chronologically list your previous jobs, highlighting key responsibilities and accomplishments. Finally, under interests, include extracurricular activities or hobbies that reflect positively on your character. Remember, honesty is key. This process should be a reflection of your personal and professional journey. As you continue adding details, feel free to adjust font styles and sizes to suit your personal taste, always keeping in mind the importance of maintaining a coherent and professional look. Use bullet points for clarity and brevity where necessary, especially under experience, to make each role and responsibility easily digestible. Once every detail is in place and meticulously checked for accuracy, you're ready to finalize your document. Save your file in both Word and PDF formats. While Word is editable for future updates, a PDF is universally accessible and maintains your formatting when sent to employers. Congratulations, you've now created a polished resume that reflects not just your qualifications, but also your attention to detail and professionalism. Be sure to keep it updated as you grow in your career. Best of luck with your job applications, and thank you for joining me in crafting a resume using Microsoft Word.